Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the President's Choice, the Decadent chocolate chip cookie. So this is one of the best chocolate chip cookies. It's a Canadian company, President's Choice, which is owned by Loblaws. I got this at the Atlantic Superstore in Atlantic, Canada, and this cookie is amazing. So it's made with real butter chocolate chips since 1988, and in 2 cookies there's 170 calories, 8 grams of fat, 23 carbohydrates with 2 fiber, 13 sugar, and 2 grams of protein. And yeah, these are made with their Decadent chocolate chips, which are really good. So I'm going to get right into this here. So yeah, wow, it smells really good. Decadent. Look at that. Perfection. Now there's a lot of chocolate chips on one side of this, but I'm going to get right into this. There's something about the chocolate chips in this. They taste really good. It's different than a lot of different cookies. Kind of similar to the Chips Ahoy, but I think the Decadent's better. Real good. Crunchy, chewy, nice mixture of all. Kind of melts in your mouth. You can taste it's made with butter. And those chocolate chips are just amazing. So, last bite. The Decadent, amazing. So those cookies kind of fall apart as you chew into them. They're not like moist. They're kind of dry, but it works in its favor. It kind of falls apart in your mouth. Almost like it's melting in your mouth. Now the taste of these are amazing. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give the Decadent chocolate chip cookie an 8.5 out of 10. These are my favorite cookies ever. They're really good, flavorful. And I really like the chocolate chips that they use in them. A lot of flavor there. So, yeah, really good. Go check it out if you're in Canada. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below. And I'll see you in the next video.